Hey guys, I'm letting you know. I'm gonna cut this squishy only if we hit 55 of the of subscribers. Can you hit 55 because Lynn already cut hers for you guys if it hits 54 and it already did. So and now if it hits 55, I'll cut this. So yeah, I'm just reminding you.